In this sum, we are given a parallelogram x, y, z, w. The diagonals are intersecting in point O. This angle x, y, z is 135 and length OY is 5. You have to find out angle XWZ and angle YZW. Okay. So in your solution, you'll write as quadrilateral XYZW is a parallelogram. What are the properties of a parallelogram? Opposite angles are congruent. Okay. So therefore, angle XYZ is equal to angle XWZ is equal to how much? 135 degree, since opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Okay, this is done. First part is over. Then he is asking you to find out measure of this angle YZW. Now if you have a look at this angle YZW, this angle, okay, measure of this angle will be angle YZW and angle XYZ are interior angles. Because it is a parallelogram, so opposite sides are parallel. WZ is parallel to XY, and for this transversal YZ, the interior angles are supplementary. So whatever will be the measure of this angle, it will be out of 180 minus 135. Okay. So also WZ is parallel to XY and YZ is the transversal. Transversal होने की वजह से interior angles are supplementary. Therefore, angle XYZ plus angle WZY is equal to 180 since interior angles. You call them as interior angles, you call them as adjacent angles also, or adjacent angles of a parallelogram. Fine. Now we have the measure of angle XYZ is 135. WZY आपको find करना है. So that will be WZY is equal to 180 minus 135. Sorry. So 135. What will be the measure? The measure will come out to be 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 is here. 7 minus 3 is 45. Okay. So this is your angle WZY. Now the next thing that you have to find is the length WY. This length, complete length WY. You have been given length OY as 5. So अब diagonals of a parallelogram they bisect each other. Okay, so we take the next property now. As quadrilateral WZYX is a parallelogram, therefore diagonals bisect each other. बाइसेक्ट करना बोले तो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना. सो लेंथ WY, ये लेंथ WY जो है आपकी, ये क्या हो जाएंगी? डबल ऑफ OY. WO इज इक्वल टू OY, क्योंकि डायगोनल्स बाइसेक्ट करते हैं, इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं एक दूसरे को. ठीक है, तो ये WY क्या हो जाएंगी? OY का डबल. सो WY इज इक्वल टू ट्वाइस OY. 2 into 5, that is 10 centimeter. Okay, you got the answer.